This video is going to show you how to take attendance in PowerTeacher. You should take attendance the first 10 or 15 minutes of class. After that, if kids come in later than that, you should really send them to the front desk near the front office area of Fresco and have them sign in there. That way the office can mark them as either absent excused, absent unexcused, tardy, or whatever. So you should really be doing attendance in the first 10 to 15 minutes of the period. To take attendance, first log into PowerTeacher. Once you're there, you'll see that I actually already have some green lights for some of the classes like AP Calc AB, Algebra 2, Trig Pre-Calc, and Algebra 2, my 5th period one. That's because I've already taken attendance for these periods. These sort of shaded out or transparent icons with the chairs means I don't have that class that day. This is an A day, so I have A day classes, but I do not have my B day classes, so I don't need to take attendance. Notice that I have this period 1A number theory class. The light is not green, it's an A day. I need to take attendance for that class. There's a couple different ways to do it. You can click on the chair, which is my favorite way. You can click on this sort of table view. It's actually like a chart, and then there's a chart with a desk in front of it. You can get to each of these just by clicking on it, or let's just go into my favorite one, and that's a single day attendance. The chart that we saw on that home page would just send you to this multi-day attendance. I'll click on that just so you can look at it. Multi-day. Today being an A day to take attendance, Tuesday. Tomorrow is a B day and I can't take attendance there. Thursday is an A day, I could take attendance there, and Monday, Wednesday, and Friday of next week. But like I said, I like the single day attendance. Let's just take a peek at the seating chart one. If I click on seating chart, the first time you do this, it'll ask you if you want to populate it. Right now, I already populated it, so here's my two students, Fake Student and Joe Schmo. You can take attendance here by clicking on the box and choosing absent unexcused, tardy excused, or tardy unexcused. I'm going to go back to my favorite single day. I should mention though that when it's blank, that means present. That means they are in fact there. For example, if I go to single day, right now their attendance is actually present if there's nothing in it. If I click on one of these to change it, it even says present. But if I want to mark them absent, unexcused, because I don't care what their excuse is, all I know is they're not there, I'll mark him absent unexcused. And for Joe Schmo, I can mark him maybe tardy excused or tardy unexcused. That's up to me if I want to give them an excuse. Look at the school handbook for ideas on what an excused and unexcused tardy should be. So I'll mark him unexcused. Now I have to click submit. You'll notice that the light is now green, showing me real quick at a glance that I've done attendance for all my periods. Here's an advisory. I'm in charge of an advisory group. We didn't actually meet in advisory class. This is really meant for any morning meeting attendance are marked in here. And then of course on advisory days they meet at morning meeting, and then also they meet with me during the advisory time. So I actually go in there again and take attendance when I meet with the 11th graders for advisory time. If you need to, for example, let's go back to my number theory class, I can go back and adjust the attendance for today. Click on it again. Here's the attendance from before. Let's just say, oh wait, I made a mistake. This guy is here. If I click on it, it says present. I could just click to the side and hit submit, and now they're marked present. I can go verify it, check it out, just to show you that it's blank. That's because remember that blank means present. So there you go, take attendance. If you want to go and you forgot attendance from the other day, you can click on this date and you could change to different dates. Since there was no days before today, this was the first day in the class, there's no attendance before today. But I could even jump ahead and view a different day and mark them. Okay, I'll go back to today and I could adjust some attendance. I'm going to say that was unexcused. I believe you can even make comments in here. If you click on that bubble, let me show that again. Click on this bubble and I could say sitting at the snack machine. bad excuse. Alright, and there's a little comment, and notice that's highlighting, and it even says the comment when I hover over it. I'm going to submit to record that, and there we go.